This one na bad news oh. As the legendary singer wey they call am Sultan, he just pass away. I no even wan talk say death. Because this in death, e shock me. The thing even overpain me. And for those of now wey no know, this guy don dey sick since. He don dey battle some kind cancer. One rare cancer wey they call am na cancer of the throat. I been waiting this guy dey suffer since. But before we go see now, before we go even hear, this guy don die. 44 years old man wey be say never even to live life like that. And there we hear say he don die. Condolence to him family, my people. Abeg, make na follow me watch the funeral service of this man.
Alright guys, we're back live. So sorry, the other session expired, but we're back live right now.
Chai, I dey even feel this woman pain. See as she just sleep on top of this coffin, you go know say the thing dey really pain her. And in fact, this death even remind me of person one no. The person no dey smoke or you know they drink, but this same sickness, this throat cancer, na still kill the person. I come dey wonder abeg, wetin dey cause am? And as we gather, they say this kind of thing, the thing they come out small. The person go they get frequent cold. Like say they get catarrh on a regular sore throat. For those of now where they get that symptoms, it's better go start to do medical checkup because if it go lead to something. Now so the thing they start small. Before we go see now, this man don't come die. And death really pain me, but this man really gets luck. Sultan, in fact, you over get luck because this your death. Yeah, I like and say now for New Jersey, now you go there. If say now inside Nigeria. In fact, your death self, you no go rest in peace because the kind of people where they go bury next to you, now people will be say bandits, kidnappers, they be say if you even die, self, your own coffin go they cry. But as now abroad, now you go reason and say, okay, person where you they bury you next to. If you be one kind better person, if you be Michael Jackson and the types, you know now you self your coffin go cause self. You self go they celebrate, so okay, they bury me for better place. But I even thank God self, it's not be Nigeria, but this your death is still paying me. And I sure say your family, children when you live beyond self, it go they pay them. Because now how person want to start, how they want to reason life again. Only them, and I sure say people will even miss you because your music alone, if person even hear and say people they love them. So now we just can't go. You know even to take. And I can't surprise this sickness we even you know get cure. At least for even get treatment because the way people they die with this whole sickness, it means that they never still see cure for them. And na corona come, they don't want to see the cure. Now why all these Oyinbo people? But I pray say make your soul rest in peace. Because this one it really pain people. People even still they mourn. You never even die finish. Some people say they want on kata say why you they sick, nobody check up on you. Now we don't die, people they like, yes. Fine, they don't check up on them because people know, but people ain't know as they hear the matter will still pain person. Mr. Sultan, make your soul rest in perfect peace. I hear this one, my people. I want to make a bring and come. Make na self na ear. Here waiting they happen. Anything when I feel, make not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I go see you for the next video. Some school children just escape death as electric pole fall on top of their motor where they carry. This one a pure testimony for both the driver and the parents of these children. See as they just enter this motor, they enter Uber ride. Say, make the thing carry them come back house. As then these children just even bring out their leg, come up from the motor, say, make we drop before they go see. Hallelujah, something don't knock on top of this motor. Then these people, they suppose they thank God. My people, I beg, make now follow me watch.
Who about my children just came back with? Hey, see testimony, oh my God.
This one even pass testimony. Make them just go they thank Jesus because everybody they, in fact, nothing do any of them. One touch, in fact, they are not chicky pam, be na pochikam. He never even scratch anybody for body. Now they are going the reason say this one like this, God really did. He should say God did. But on top of this whole matter like this now, I can't pity this Uber driver. Because I beg, where you won't gather this money now? Go till they fix this motor. Yes, everybody gonna talk. Thank God. They say nothing do. I'm nothing do. Then the children. Maybe we can't even twist this story. Like say, then these children even they inside this motor. As this poor can't go for, you know, even can't go touch this Uber driver. On a foresee drama. Now there na for no say some mothers they know they okay. Now there you go see as mama could they shout say driver don't kill him picking. But as this one now, the thing just turn to opposite. The mama know even the reason say this driver now something don't do in motor. She just they thank God on their own behalf. But I hope say them say they fit try put in some damages, some money give this mama and take care of all these damages. And we know say Nigeria where we dey now, nobody they even pay for insurance. Person never see money chop belefu. Na insurance money for motor. Na person go come go they pay. So all this one self join the person no go get am. So him go dey reason all this kind thing say how he want to start. But I beg brother, they very hopeful because as it be now you go still fit gather money. Take buy another motor, be take fix this motor. But if say na your life, I been at these children life, how you want take reason now? Now make I come even face all these NEPA people where they inside this Nigeria. On I go see Poe go don't almost bend, they touch person for nose. They go do like say they know they see him. They go walk up pass. Their own na to collect NEPA be cut light. Now their own, in fact, the only way they come this Nigeria come do na their own profession be that. Make you tell them say Oga NEPA, this wire where you do, the thing no straight. If bed touch am, the thing they spark. You no concern them. You no even concern their own na abeg show me your NEPA bill. If you dey owe money, abi something don't do the electric, na him be their bribery and corruption. When be say, I've sure say before this thing go even fall. This one no be even wooden. Shebi na watch am. On a say no be wooden pole. Na concrete, block. Now they use to do this kind of thing. So for this thing to break, it means say you don't dey show sign. It don't they bend small. But they know they notice say this thing they bend. Their own, and they just pass them, look am. Oh, it dey okay for their own eye now. They go just walk past like say nothing they happen. All this kind close eye things where be say Nigerians go they do like say their eye don't blind. They go they see the thing, but they go they pretend say like they don't see. As if further now, that time they will come outside, they talk say, they need 30 billion naira to come fix pole again. Now go hear one kind story where they go bring out now to fix this kind one. And they're gonna work out all this while they see this kind, they say, this thing no good, or this thing go still fall, it go still turn upside down, they don't go notice. But these people at us pray, say they just they thank God. Behind a banana, they go carry, go church, go tell do thanksgiving, I don't know. But you suppose even go praise God well because God just even spare your life. It just show you say God dear life. My people, I hear this one. I can't see make I bring her coming aside, making a service in her ear. Hear everything they happen. Anything when I feel, make not forget to write down for the comment section. Make not don't forget to like and also share this video. I go see you for our next video.